What's up guys, it's Fps here back with another LEGO video, and today I'm super hyped to show you this thing. This is my mini G36. So yeah, the recent time I haven't been able to upload any video to YouTube because I got a lot of exams and competition at school, and now that I'm all done with those, I will have a lot more times with Legos and to focus on my YouTube channel. So this is the mini G36. This is a super cool mini model, mini replicas, which I just made today. It took me around 3 hours. I printed out G36 on papers and matched all the proportions, and I think this thing turned out pretty well. So the features of the gun feature a working charging handle, and when the charging handle goes back, you see the bolt goes back too. The bolt is powered by a spring in the back, which I just found when I just looking through some of my Legos. We also have this folding stock, which is locked in via this studs. You just put over and just like that, it's locked, just like that. Here we have the grip, which is built in a completely different way, which I just thought of myself. I will show you in the tutorial. The trigger guard isn't connected to the grip anyway. Trigger is static, it doesn't move because the trigger is connected with the grip. We also have a removable magazine. It's built using some illegal building technique though, and some plate on the side to make the magazine thicker, but it does look pretty great on the gun. We also have the iron sights. It does look pretty cool, but the front sight doesn't really represent the HK sight that much, but I can say I'm fine with that. The handguard and the barrel, some really simple stuff though, but really cool. This gun, well, does have a lot of functions and really fun to play with. I definitely gonna make tutorial for this thing though. I already have an LDD file, and I'm gonna release as soon as possible. When I reach 800 subscribers, I'm gonna release the LDD file and make a video instruction. So before we end the video, we're gonna do some FPS inspecting and shooting action. Really cool. Overall, this gun has a really good shapes, and just overall looks really great. I has to redesign, take out the gun apart a few times just to get to this perfect design, but I'm happy with how it turned out, and I can say I'm really proud of this thing. So yeah, I'm gonna have a video in like 1 or 2 more days. I'm gonna make a tutorial for this gun. I have a lot of video planned for you guys. I still haven't made the Honey Badger video, the AK-47 video, the Deagle, the mini pistols, and the M1911 and the M100 JTAC. A lot of videos is coming onto my YouTube channel in a few weeks, and I can say, well, I think that's it. I'm gonna see you guys in another LEGO video.